talk about matching activities. So once your child is 15 months old, you would see your child hitting another milestone, and you would realize that your child has learned to match, or your child is actually learning to match things. So when I realized that Jordan has started matching things, I thought, why not start doing matching activities? And I did lots of matching activities at that time. So the first activity that I did was this one. So I'm going to keep these aside and I'm going to show you all the activities one by one. Okay, so this is the first activity that I did with Jordan. So I made shapes here: circle, triangle, and square. So here I asked him to match triangle, circle, circle, square. So your child is also learning the shapes. Second activity that I'm going to show you guys is the patterns, matching different patterns. Now as you can see here, I have used a cardboard of similar size, and I have I have glued these different kinds of papers. So these are all gift wrapping papers, and now these three are gift wrapping papers, whereas these three are kind of stickers. And it's also good for sensory. So I got these for sensory cards, and I will be making a completely different video on sensory cards. And so Jordan would also do this, you can literally feel the texture, and it's also a really good sensory card. So these are actually the leftovers from the sensory cards that I had. So Jordan would find these two very difficult to match. In the beginning it was very difficult for him to figure out, and slowly and gradually he learned that this is different and this is different. In the beginning, when you're teaching your child how to match alphabets, make sure you use similar colors or similar cards. Now, the fourth activity that I did is matching numbers. So always start the numbers with 0, because it's really important for a child to know that 0 is also a number. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I made Jordy match vowel sounds. Now A, so Jordy has to pick one. O, match O. Pick one. E, E. So this is how you can ask your child to match. You're also teaching your child to learn alphabets. So now these are the 5 activities that I started in the beginning with Jordan for matching. So you guys can try this out as well with your kids, starting off with very simple shapes or different patterns of different paper materials, and then you can move on to numbers and alphabets. Numbers and alphabets would be a little difficult in the beginning for them to figure out, but then you have to keep on repeating doing these activities. And if you guys liked content over here, please go ahead and like this video and also subscribe to my channel, and I will be showing you guys the video of me doing these matching activities with Jordan, and hope you guys like it, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye. Triangle. Good. Yes. Good. Circle.
John, do you want to match D? Can you match D, John? One. Very good. John, can you match you? Yeah, good. A. I. E. D. B. No. No. Yeah. B. Yeah. Very good. This one. This one. Yes. Good. One. Yeah. One. Three.